Come rob me for house. Do you think that? Me will never use it to do it. Okay, we go stay outside. Let us just be here. Guys, when I cause it if we come rob me for house, so you think that I was at home. You think say you get sense. I was not at home there. I was not at home. You go even tire for my matter. See, when I see thief, we come rob me. When I see thief, we come rob my bicycle. When I see thief, we come rob my bicycle, you go run tire. Oh yeah, run. You think I get straight for this house? Oh yeah, continue.
I said they should say play love for village tire for movie.
Oh yeah, run. Oh yeah, they run.
Don't tire, don't be. I want that for me.
When I see this one.
You don't usually say waka.
Oh yeah, you will be there. I'm not ready to open the door. Go back to where you are coming from. Oh yeah, go there. Back. Because everything that I cook for you guys make me to waste it. Oh yeah, back. Halile. Back to where you are coming from. This is the strikes that you have put me. You make me to be strong straight. Remove your leg, car they come. The stress that you make me to pass through. That is what you are passing through today now. I cook for how many days? I stand for how many days? I work for how many days? How many days? There. You make me to waste all the food and everything that I prepare. No. You are not going to my house. Stay outside. When I come see you. This one is teaching me. It's telling me.
That's something for you.
You buy something for me. What did you say?
I buy one necklace, good necklace.
Don't lie, you are lying.
What
Don't lie. I see 4,000. He's lying. Yes, he's joking. He made me to prepare everything. After cooking and all, that disappointed me. When I look at everybody asking me, when is your family want to come and eat? No, you're not arrived. I have rules and regulations. Did you agree or not? When you have one shower, you pay 20 euro. 2 shower, you pay 20 euro. That is 40 euro in a day. If you want to have 3 shower, it's 60 euro. If you want to eat and cook in this house, you pay 100 euro. What did you think?
No,
we are not speaking Edo language here.
No.
Okay, yeah, go back.
I'm proud of.
Go back. Did you agree to pay 160 euro or not? 160 euro, did you?
I will pay.
You will pay. You will pay, guys. Remember.
You're the writer for additional.
He said he's going to pay. When I see all this, follow me, they drag key. Is it your key? Is it not my house? This is my husband's house. Go back to your husband's house. You need food. Food for which house?
First of all, better shower.
160 euros. Are you ready to pay?
I will pay.
You will pay. You agree?
Send me your account.
No. It's cash. Or cash, or you go out away from the house. Or I call the police on you. Choose.
If you like, call police on
For where?
Yeah, they can come like papa.
For where?
They can come like papa.
For where?
Hey, look at
you move away from my house.